Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Cash App to buy Bitcoin and withdraw, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening the App Store on your mobile device if you are using an iPhone. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Cash App and hit search. Locate the official Cash App icon and tap on it. Press the install button to begin downloading the app. Wait for the installation to complete, which usually takes a few moments. Once installed, tap on the Open button to launch Cash App. You will be prompted to enter your mobile phone number or email address. After entering your information, tap Next to continue. Cash App will send you a verification code via SMS or email. Retrieve that code and enter it in the app. Next, create a secure password for your Cash App account. Once your password is set, you will need to complete your profile. This includes adding your name and possibly linking a bank account. To do so, tap on the Banking tab, usually represented by a bank icon. Follow the prompts to link your bank account using your bank credentials. After linking, return to the main screen of Cash App. To buy Bitcoin, tap on the Investing tab, which is often represented by a graph icon. Select the option for Bitcoin. You will see information about Bitcoin and an option to buy. Tap on Buy to specify the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase. Once you input the amount, tap Confirm to finalize your purchase. After purchasing Bitcoin, you can check your balance on the main screen. To withdraw Bitcoin, tap on the Bitcoin icon again. Select the Send option to transfer your Bitcoin to an external wallet. Enter the address of your external wallet where you want to send your Bitcoin. Confirm the amount and ensure all information is correct before proceeding. Tap Send to complete the withdrawal process. Check your external wallet to confirm that the Bitcoin has arrived. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.